Soura is an Austroasiatic language of the Soura people, an ethnic group of eastern India, mainly in the states of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Soura contains very little formal literature but has an abundance of folk tales and traditions. Most of the knowledge passed down from generation to generation is transmitted orally. Like many languages in eastern India, Soura is listed as vulnerable to extinction by UNESCO. Most speakers are concentrated in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, but smaller communities also exist in Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Bihar. Distribution. Speakers are concentrated mainly in Ganjam district, Gajapati district, Central Gumma Hills region, Gumma block, etc., and Rayagada district, but are also found in adjacent areas such as Koraput and Fulbani districts. Other communities exist in northern Andhra Pradesh, Vizianagaram district and Srikakulam district, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and the Plains division of Assam. Topic: History. The Soura language has faced a wave-like pattern of usage—that is, the number of people who speak Soura climbed steadily for decades before crashing down. In fact, the number of people who spoke Soura went from 157,000 in 1901 to 166,000 in 1911. In 1921, this number marginally rose to 168,000 and kept climbing. In 1931, speaker numbers jumped to 194,000, but in 1951, a period of exponential growth occurred with speaker numbers jumping to 256,000. In 1961, numbers topped at 265,000 speakers before crashing down in 1971 when speaker numbers dropped back down to 221,000. Culture. Soura is spoken by the Soura people, who are a part of the Adivasi, or tribal people, in India, making Soura an Adivasi language. Soura is found in close proximity to Odia and Telugu-speaking peoples, making a great deal of Soura people bilingual. Soura does not have much in the way of literature except for a few songs and folk tales which are usually transmitted orally. Soura religion is a mix of traditional shamanistic rituals and the surrounding Hinduism predominant in surrounding populations. One particular Soura ritual has to do with death. Soura retains a unique shamanistic view on the subject of death. It is said that people who die from murders, suicides, or accidents are said to be taken, in a sense, by the sun spirit. These people, called Usingdigen, are then said to reside in the sun itself after death. Soura uses spirits to explain many phenomena. For example, if a girl in no relationship has a headache or a migraine, it is said that the Pangalsam spirit, or bachelor spirit who contains the souls of men who have died before wedlock, has placed a wreath of flowers tightly around the girl's head as a symbol of claiming her as his wife. Numerals. The Soura numeral system uses a base 12, which only a few other languages in the world do. Ikari, for example, uses a base 60 system. For example, 39 in Soura arithmetic would be thought of as 1 * 20 plus 12 plus 7. Here are the first 12 numerals in the Soura language: English 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Soura, Aboy Bago Yagi Unji Monloy Tudra Gulji Thamji Tinji Gelji Gelmai Miguel. Similar to how English uses the suffix from the numeral 10 after 12, such as 13, 14, etc., Soura also uses a suffix assignment to numerals after 12 and before 20. 13 in Soura is expressed as Mijilboy 12 plus 1, 14 as Migilbagu 12 plus 2, etc. Between numerals 20 and 99, Soura adds the suffix kuri to the first constituent of the numeral. For example, 31 is expressed as Bakori Gelmai and 90 as Unjakori Gelji. Phonology. On a similar note, our understanding of Soura phonology is limited at best, but there are some generalizations that can be made. Most syllables are of the consonant, vowel, consonant form, and morphemes usually contain 1 to 3 syllables. There are 18 identifiable consonants and they fall into most of the established origins of sound. 5 consonants originate from the palate while only 1 consonant originates from the glottis. An interesting facet of Soura consonants is that they contain an inherent vowel. Although vowels may be pronounced differently, there exist only 6 vowels in Soura. There are no diacritics and aspiration varies depending on the speaker. It is likely that the influence of English, Odisha, and Telugu has also affected vowel pronunciation over the course of Soura's use. Pronunciations also change in prevocalic, occurring before a vowel, and non-prevocalic environments. Topic: Consonants. Topic: Vowels. Topic: Grammar. Soura uses grammatical devices, including subject and object agreement, word order, and noun compounding to show case. It is seen as a predominantly nominative-accusative language and once again differs from most other languages with its lack of a passive structure. However, just because Soura lacks a passive case does not mean other established forms of grammatical case are also missing. Rather, Soura has some complex grammatical cases. A few examples are as follows: nominative, accusative, dative accusative, objective accusative, instrumental, benefactive, genetive. In addition, Soura, like many other Munda languages, uses relator nouns to link nouns with the other parts of the sentence in order to provide a more specific meaning, called compounding. These monosyllabic nouns that enhance meaning are called semantic relator nouns and are used widely in Soura. Soura also has a combining form for every noun in addition to the full form of the noun. The combining form allows the noun to be attached to a verb root to create a more semantically complex word, similar to compounding in other languages. Soura contains prefixes, infixes, and suffixes to form its affixation but only uses its suffixes to change the possession of nouns. The combining form is the form seen when the noun is being used with a verb or another full-formed noun. The full form is the form seen when the noun is standing alone or functioning not in tandem with other parts of speech. Some templates of Soura combinations between nouns and verbs are as follows: verb plus combined form, verb plus combined form plus combined form, full form plus combined form, full form plus combined form plus combined form. An example of a full-form noun shortened into the combined form is as follows: man-ra, the full form of man, transform into the combined form word, mer. The two indicate that a noun full or combined or verb has to precede the combined form noun, that is, the combined form noun cannot stand on its own. Although by no means conclusive, a few general guidelines about the combined form is that it depends on where the combination with the verb or other noun is to take place. If the combined form is to an infix, then its resulting form will be different than if it were to be combined as a prefix. Some examples of full-form nouns and their combined forms are as follows: full-form combined form English translation: d honeycomb, r sour, banarage, bn flower, bayra, bal gun barrel, cree, d drum. Vocabulary, lexis. Soura borrows words from surrounding languages like Telugu and Oriya. An example of a word borrowed from Oriya is kurana, which is a tree name. From Telugu munu, which means black gram, is borrowed. Moreover, within the Munda family itself most words appear to be mutually intelligible owing to minor differences in pronunciations and phonology. Karya and Korku, two other Munda languages, share mutually intelligible words with Soura. For example, the number 11 in Karya is gol mo, in Korku it is gel dumia, and in Soura it is gelmai. Each 11 in each language looks and sounds remarkably similar to the other 11s. This phenomenon is not just contained in numbers but rather a great deal of vocabulary is mutually intelligible among the Munda languages. Within the Austroasiatic language family more knowledge about Soura vocabulary can be found. The Mon-Khmer language family, which encompasses the languages primarily spoken in Southeast Asia, has lexical cognates with the Munda family. That means that some words found in Soura are of direct Proto-Austroasiatic origin and share similarities with other derived Austroasiatic language families. Words that relate to the body, family, home, field, as well as pronouns, demonstratives, and numerals are the ones with the most cognates. Writing system. The Soura language has multiple writing systems. One is called Soura Sampung, a native writing system created only for the Soura language. It was developed in 1936 by Mangay Gomango. Soura is also written in the Odia alphabet by the bilingual speakers of Odisha. Similarly, Telugu is used by the bilingual speakers living in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Finally, the last commonly used script to write Soura is the Latin script. Media coverage. Soura was one of the subjects of Ironbound Films' 2008 American documentary film The Linguists, in which two linguists attempted to document several moribund languages. Further reading. Hammerstrom, Harold, Forkel, Robert, Haspelmath, Martin, Bank, Sebastian, eds. 2016. Soura. Glottolog 2.7. Jena, Max Planck Institute for the Science of Human History. Ramamurthy, R.S. 1931. A Manual of the Soura language. Delhi, Middle Publication. Venkataramamurthy, G. 1986. Soura English Dictionary. Delhi, Middle Publication.